My dog has a blog. There's my dog. Give me a minute.
Just take Sadie. Just stand right down this sidewalk. She'll do her thing.
So yeah, this is Sadie. Sadie! Who's cute? Yes, you're cute. Yes, you're cute. Yes, yes, you are. Get back.
Oh, look at you. You gotta go outside. Where's he gonna take you?
Stop. Don't say my name. Hey, Sadie.
Oh, that was his whip like that, Sadie.
Hey, watch out. So yeah, they tore up the poor snowman. Ah! So yeah. Sadie's sweet. Sadie's sweet. This is Sadie. This is liquor license Sadie. This is Diva Keela. Who wants it? Keela. Who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants it? Go, girls! Go, girls!
What's her name?
Go on!
I just want to know.
When you add three
Mom!
passionate performers to the panel, you know that there's going to be a little bit of potential personality conflict.
Why did you do that?
Our superstars were super passionate from the get-go.
What is going on with you, Miss Minaj? Oh, nothing. Would it be frightfully tiresome if
There!
somebody brought me some...
It's good enough. So yeah, he's my biggie. I'll give you a close-up.
I've been appointed.
Oh my God! You're meanie. You're meanie.
While that may not
Sadie!
be true for Nikki, for our next contestant, it's an understatement.
I'm very excited to see Mariah. My girl. My idol. My home.
So yeah, my mom is being a brat. Because she keeps on turning it up.
Tell me about your fanship tomorrow.
Go to your room. I've been listening to Mariah since I was 5 years old.
Sadie, get back here.
I actually went to Camp Mariah.
Sadie, get back here. Sadie, get back here.
I actually got a chance to sing for Mariah when I was about, I think it was 13.
Look,
Crazy
look.
moment. It still feels like yesterday to me. But I hope she will remember.
Say
me
goodbye to the
when
camera. Lick the camera.
and she'll remember the day.
Sweetie, yes. Huggies, huggies, yes, huggies. Huggies. She's so black. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and you'll be seeing Sadie and Keela. And yeah. So yeah, bye.